Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another RV parts showcase. Today I want to talk to you about slide out lube and protectant. This stuff is very, very important. What you do with it basically is just get underneath your RV and make sure that you keep everything sprayed with this. Again, it keeps it's kind of hard to explain, but it's not a grease, okay? You don't always want to use grease on your slide outs because grease attracts dirt. And when you're driving down the road, you don't want dirt and small rocks, road grime, things like that attaching to your slide out mechanisms, because when you go to run them in, they can destroy it, right? A little rock gets in the gear mechanism, it can destroy it. So this is what you want to use. This does not attract dirt, it does not attract rocks, it does not attract the road grime, it doesn't stick to it, but it still lubricates everything underneath so your slide out can easily and quickly move. It also repels water. That's an awesome thing because it keeps everything from rusting. You don't want rust under there. And if you look underneath most people's slide outs, you're going to see a lot of rust, you're going to see a lot of dirt, you're not going to see a lot of lubricant, and that's why people have trouble. So if you want to keep your slide out working, keep it protected, keep it from rusting, keep it from having road grime, rocks, dirt, things like that building up on the mechanisms, this is what you want to use. Again, it's Slide Out Lube and Protectant. It's very, very, very affordable insurance. If you want to buy some or you have questions about it, give us a call at 877-4494. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube page.